Alright, what we got is the F250. We did a video earlier today of a new addition, air pump. Will you record while I hook this up? Really simple one hose design. Little nipple things down in there. Oh, I don't really care. Shove it in the hole. As you can see, the ring is mostly deflated. Nick's gonna fire up said truck. Well, this is the smog pump, Felicia. This is the smog pump. Next, air conditioner compressor as an air compressor. When you started, hold about 2,500. There's a lizard. There's where it's leaking. See it? Watch how fast that fills that up. Mark had the air compressor on this big service truck. It didn't fill it up as fast as this. I mean, this won't make no pressure at all. It won't make maybe 3 or 4 pounds pressure. But it does it at like a high volume. This video is only 2 minutes long, and it started before it even started filling up. Got it. Hold this, Felicia. Please. I'll fix this. I know we know it won't stay aired up for no time.
Mom, we can find that stupid hole.
Especially not if I keep letting air out this hole. I think that works really well for no money, just an old air hose. What's Nick think? He thinks it does too. Okay, turn that.